Welcome to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, we're going to be talking about blood pressure tracker, and it's all coming up next. So in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the blood pressure tracker. So as you see here, I have opened up blood pressure tracker on my Notion page, and let's go over just some of the settings that I have in here on blood pressure tracker. So when you purchase this template, you will see that it's one page basically, and you have a linked view of this database down here. Now when you purchase this template, it's suggested that if you have other databases in your workspace, that you just put this database over to the section that you have all your databases in, so you have them all in one place so you don't accidentally delete a database. Now it's okay to delete a linked view because you won't lose your information, but if you actually delete the actual database, you'll lose all your information. So it's best to go ahead and put this in a safe location. Outside of that, let's go to the linked view of this page here. So as you see here, I have a default view, I have a calendar view, a 7-day average, and a 30-day average. So when you get this template, it will basically not have any of this information in here. It'll be like this. Okay. And when you want to track your blood pressure, all you have to do is hit the new button. And what I typically do is I take the date created and I put that as the title. So I copy it to clipboard and I just paste it right in there. Because I have found that typically for the title, I don't usually put notes in there or anything like that. I just like to have the date so it shows up here in this view as clickable to open up this page. Next, what I typically do is I'll go into activity and I'll choose which of these activities was most accurate for when I took my blood pressure. So if I just woke up in the morning, I would just select woke up. Then for my mood, I'll put down whether or not I'm stressed, happy, angry, content, or just okay. So I'll put down content, and then I'll put in my blood pressure. Okay. And then I'll also put down my pulse, and that's all there is to it. Now if you notice what has happened here, it has told me that my blood pressure is normal. And as you see here in the formula, it will take in consideration your systolic and your diastolic, and it will give you a output here in your blood pressure of whether or not it's normal or not. And then typically I just close that out, and now I have it there. Now let's say for instance I wanted to look at the calendar view. You'll see here on the calendar view that it's got this nice little card here that shows the date, shows what was my activity was woke up, what my mood was content, the systolic was the 100 and the diastolic was 67, and of course my blood pressure is normal, and the pulse was at 62. Also, you have a 7-day average, but in this situation obviously you don't see the 7-day average, but it would be down here if you had more than one day in here. It would average the systolic and the average of the diastolic, and also give you an average of your pulse. Also, the same thing goes for the 30-day average. So that is basically the blood pressure tracker in a nutshell. And like I said, I am selling that on Gumroad. It's only going for $5. Does help this channel stay afloat, so to speak, so I can keep putting out more and more videos. But if you got any questions, please feel free to leave a comment right down there in the comment section. And if you like this video and you like this kind of content, please click that thumbs up there and give this channel a thumbs up. It kind of helps get this video out there to other people. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you want to see more of these videos in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And so with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care.